Rating Liverpool vs Wolves game. Alisson Becker did okay, although he did concede that stupid goal. Andy Robertson did also okay, but he scored a sensational goal. Yarel Quansah did alright, but did have a few mistakes. Joel Matip and Joe Gomez, just sell them, they suck, granted. Matip did do better than Gomez. Ibrahim Konate, solid at the back. Alexis McAllister was bad, but it's alright because of the matches he played at Argentina, so he's a bit fatigued. Szoboszlai and Curtis Jones did okay, so 6/10. Harvey Elliott did okay, but that long shot was phenomenal, a bit lucky too. Mohamed Salah did okay, but he provided 2 important assists. Cody Gakpo did okay, but he did have an important goal/tap-in. Diogo Jota did okay, so 6/10. Luis Diaz and Darwin Núñez did okay, so 6/10. Note: the reason why I didn't include Gravenberch is because he really haven't done anything important in the game, so no ratings. And also sorry guys for not uploading for a week. I wasn't fine this past week, but there will be a video by tomorrow.